Welcome, friends. I am Dr. V.K. Chauhan, homeopathic physician. Revise with me Paranoid Personality Disorder, a small overview, especially for homeopathic students and interns. So let us go ahead. The term paranoia is derived from the Greek para means besides and nous meaning mind. So we can define paranoid personality as it is characterized by a pervasive distrust and suspiciousness. So therefore the core feature of this personality is suspiciousness and jealousy. But this particular trait in this personality is within the bound of lawfulness. Epidemiologically, the prevalence is about 1 to 2% of population, and male-female sex ratio is 3 to 1. The psychopathological components we are going to deal under 5 levels. Number 1 level is cognitive level, or we can say it is a level of thinking or thought. Second is perceptive level, which is at the level of understanding. Third is the level of feeling, which is known as affective level. And fourth level is behavioral level, where we find the action level. And fifth level is how they appear to others in terms of interpersonal level. At cognitive level, we find they have a strong sense of self-importance. They believe to be exceptionally talented. They are suspicious and they doubt royalty of their near and dear one. They have a strong sense of paranoid feeling. At perceptive level, they interpret motives of others in a negative way, like maliciousness, conspirational, or exploitive. They think that people are exploiting them. At affective level, they take offense very easily. A very harmless word may offend them tremendously. The behavioral level symptoms, we find they constantly question the loyalty of their close friends, their partners, and especially spouse. How they appear to others. In interpersonal relationship, people find them touchy, suspicious, secretive. They are devious and they have very little sense of humor. They have little sense for enjoyment also. They are argumentative, stubborn, difficult, prickly, and unreasonable. How to remember these traits of personality? We have a small rubric by suspect. The S for suspect stands for suspect the fidelity of spouse. U stands for unforgiving nature, means they keep on bearing grudges against somebody. S stands for suspiciousness. P stands for perceived attack. They react very quickly. E stands for enemy or friend. They suspect associates and friends constantly. C stands for confiding in others' fear. They do not trust anybody. And T stands for threats perceived in benign events. In day-to-day routine events, they feel that they have been threatened. So we'll go for miasmatic markers. So mistrust, suspiciousness, these features point to psychotic miasmatic trait. People who bears grudge, malicious, it also points to psychotic miasmatic trait. So therefore we interpret the paranoid personality disorder is belongs to a psychotic miasmatic domain. So what kind of a homeopathic medicine will be most useful to them? One of the medicine is Anacardium oriental. We find following important mental generals. These are taken up from Concise Materia Medica by S. R. Phatak. Mind, maliciousness, fixed ideas, ill-natured, profane. The profane means they treat someone or their friends or their wife disrespectably, takes everything in bad part, hard-hearted, cruel, unsocial, suspicious, very easily offended, and at times they will refuse to take meals for the fear of being poisoned. Another important medicine for paranoid traits is lachesis mutus. They have loquaciousness, rambling, frequent jumping from one subject to another. They think themselves pursued, hated, despised. They are jealous and suspicious. Very restless, uneasy. Generally, mentals are aggravated after sleep. They are hateful. Thank you very much for patient listening.